Aloe vera with tea tree oil for pimple treatment. Tea tree oil is very potential ingredients which take care of not only the pimples on the face but the marks also. This renders the skin free from bacterial infection and gives relief in pimples, marks and dark spots which looks quite ugly on the face. You will need aloe vera, tea tree oil. Procedure: mix 4-5 drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Mix it well using clean fingers or a clean spoon. You need to clean the face first and apply this lotion of aloe vera and tea tree using either finger or a cotton ball. This is recommended to be used when you go to sleep, so that when this treatment is kept overnight, this fetches great benefits in getting rid of the pimples and their scars. You can then wash the face with normal wash in the morning. This too has to be tried daily even after the pimples are healed, as this will also help to fade the scars of pimples. The reason for the acne breakout can be several. Hormonal changes, not taking care of the skin properly, or using wrong skin care products that can lead to pimples. Teenagers are the ones who are most likely to get pimples due to hormonal changes.